So, I got 2 coats on the walls that I did, and I did over here around the door. So, next, I really want to do this area now because it's really going to brighten up this space, having that lighter paint on that plywood. So, that could be tomorrow. We'll see. But at least when you come out the door, you see that nice bright wall. Yay! And Honey's doing a fabulous job at rebuilding my island in the kitchen.
Woohoo!
Yeah, we bought it at Christmas tree shop and it's been very useful. It fits our space. However, it's cheaply made, of course. So it's kind of falling apart. So he's rebuilding it. We'll use the same drawers and the same door. Got that on. Drawer fits. So it's going to be fabulous.
It's going to be fabulous.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, honey.
Mm-hmm.